Got this box in the mail today. No, it's not a trash can. This box came from none other than Steve Arnold. Yeah, Steve Arnold. God. I don't know how he did a good job wrapping it, that's for sure. This thing is huge. It's huge. Comes up to my knee. It's gigantic. Good job wrapping it, Steve. Ooh, look at that, baby. Ugh. Looky, looky, looky. What is it? You knew what it is. It's G-scale track. That is right. G-scale. What are you doing with G-scale, Jerry? Well, I'm gonna put a garden railroad outside. I think there's I can't remember. Bunch of track, bunch of turnouts, all different lengths, I guess, I think it's mostly curves. There's a bazillion curves in here. Look at all these things. Man, hold on. It's only a few straights. I need to get a lot more straights. I'll just collect it over time. That's it. Let's see. Holy Christmas. This is what we're looking at. 3 lefts. 2 rights. 35 pieces of curved track. And 22 long tracks, straight tracks, and then those 2 little short tracks. It's a good bit, but I still need a ton of turns. I mean, a ton of straight track to do what I want to do. I really don't know how much exactly I need, but this is a start. Let's put it back in the box. I'm tired just taking it all out. Thanks, Steve. Appreciate it.